Hi everyone, it's Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop. I thought I would do a video um, kind of fixing a fall wreath, grapevine wreath that I did last year. I love it, but this is the wreath, and there's holes. And so I ordered some new fall materials and they came in and I was like, okay, like let's revamp, let's like sprucing up this old grapevine wreath. So I thought I would take you along for the ride. Um, so all I'm gonna do really is I'm gonna add, I got some brown eucalyptus sprays. Um, and I thought I would just add them throughout it. And they are the little pinup ones. Um, this, if you are interested, I will read the item numbers. This is item number 56807LTBN, and these are from Jam Designs. So I'm just gonna cut these and place them throughout just to give them and a little more color because it's neutral, which I like, but I thought these would add a little something to it. So we'll see. I'm going to cut these ribbons because they're a little too long. And now I just have a few, these are leftovers, it's a filler bush that I used on a previous project. So I'm just going to use these to fill some of the holes. And there we go. It's just, just a few extra, greenery filler bushes. And I think it's, yeah. All right. Well, that was quick and easy, but I hope, anytime you have a wreath that you maybe not think, oh, you know, like you want to throw it away. I was going to throw this away, to be completely honest. And then I just sat it on my door in my craft room. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to add a few things. And I think, you know, nothing crazy, but just there's a few holes that I didn't notice last year when I was working on it. And now it's like a whole new wreath. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Caleb's Mom Shop. Visit my Etsy store, calebsmomshop.etsy.com. And yeah, I hope you'd enjoy this video and we will see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.